The secret is finally out. Samsung's biggest zoom upgrade since the Galaxy S20 Ultra is now finally coming with the next big generation, which is the Galaxy S24 series, particularly with the S24 Ultra. Yes, Samsung is bringing the strongest 3x zoom lens they have ever brought on any of their flagships before. According to Isouniverse, Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. This will bring a massive boost in image quality because of the higher resolution, while also improve the hybrid zoom quality from 3x all the way to 10x. This was one area where Samsung was kinda lacking compared to the competition, even though Samsung was better than the competition when it comes to the 10x lens, but because lack of high resolution, the images didn't come as sharp at 3x level. Now Samsung is finally bringing that with the S24 Ultra on top of their improved algorithm and camera ISP that is coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip / Exynos 2400. Fingers crossed, we're gonna see some great results out of this new 50MP 3x telephoto lens. I'm glad Samsung is choosing to do this instead of having a 5x zoom lens, because that would have disturbed the portrait zoom experience, because those photos look absolutely amazing at 3x magnification. Because of this upgrade, we're definitely going to see the most sharpest portrait mode images out of any Galaxy flagship ever before. Now as for other cameras, we don't know yet, but I really hope that Samsung also bring a higher resolution 50MP ultra wide angle lens. Is definitely going to complete the whole package. Also in the news, the software we're going to see on the S24 series, aka the Android 14 based One UI 6.0, there's a brand new quick panel setup which will look very beautiful depending on which color palette you will choose, so it's gonna give your phone a pretty amazing look. Now speaking of amazing, the Galaxy S23 series has outperformed the S22 lineup in the first half of 2023. Yes, Samsung officially revealed some numbers regarding their revenue and their performance for the first half of this year. They claim that despite the market challenges, Galaxy S23 series has achieved better sales and revenue than the S22 lineup compared to the previous first half of the year performance. This is a great news for Samsung indeed. Hopefully they'll be able to do the same with the S24 lineup next year. Whether that will happen or not, it's gonna depend massively on the return of the Exynos 2400 chip. In case you don't know, it is actually coming back for some S24 models in some markets. We talked about it in detail in our previous videos, so make sure to check that out. The link is in the description. But for this video, we are happy to see that Samsung is bringing a brand new, perhaps the biggest upgrade to their 3x lens, bringing the most powerful, the most sharpest 3x lens on any Galaxy flagship before. Let me know what you think and make sure to subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.